Hi, this is Patrick Loda with MarineMax here in Long Beach Island, New Jersey. I'm standing on our 2024 Sailfish 272 center console. This boat is equipped with the twin 250 horsepower Mercury engines. It's a new option that they're offering from Sailfish on the 2024 models. It's a very well equipped boat, very well set up. Aft folding seat here in the back. We're currently under shrink wrap, but you can kind of see what we got going on here. Extra rod holders. This is a ski pylon that's telescoping. You have a bait well over here. Nice kind of a dive door and or for tuna. Over here in our bait well station, you have a live well. Plus we also have here, nice sink, cup holders. They also have the drawer storage. Never enough storage on a boat. Very deep gunnels. Have a nice tow rail here on the boat. This has the twin Garmin screens on here. That's your Mercury vessel view. Nice switches up here on the top. Obviously your compass. What's nice too with this model, you have the glass enclosure, windshield wiper. This is your console top organizer. Sailfish does a great job with all this. Tilt helm. This is your digital throttle and shift, so it's an electric shift, very simple and easy. Great seats here, extremely comfortable with the thigh rise seating, so this way when you're running offshore, you'll have that comfort. The underneath the top here is Provence blue. It's a colored matched with the hull of the boat. This is PFD storage under here. All your rocket launchers, stereo speakers. Nice shot there, VHF radio up top so it's out of the way. All your overhead switching. So also too, if you decide to put some outriggers in here, you already have the bases that's mounted up here. Come up, walking around through the side here. This is our compartment here where the head compartment is. It's your forward cushions. What's nice too, battery switches are right here, but the batteries are stowed up here under the console. A lot of room up here in the bow of the boat. These are your back rests that will collapse down. This is forward seating and also a casting platform rather. You have a through hull windlass on the front of the boat, and it's forward shower cup holders. There's a lot of storage, a lot of room. A little bit of everything with this boat. You can do your day out on the sandbar. You can do, go out fishing. You can just do some tubing, or even if you're heading over to the restaurants, just trying to have a good time. So a center console is great for that. Sailfish really captures that idea with their owners. They're fishing focused and family friendly. That's what their whole theme is. But this is a great model boat. Please give us a call. It's 609-494-2102. Happy to show you this boat, and we'll hope to see you out on the water soon, okay? Again, this is Patrick Loda with MarineMax here in Long Beach Island, New Jersey. Take care. See you on the water.